What if the life you've been praying for starts with one key? Not a luxury mansion, not something far away, not something impossible, but a place that feels right, a place that feels peaceful, a place that feels like home. Because the truth is, home ownership may be easier than you think. And today, I may have the perfect key for you. Welcome to 813 Blue Hill Lane, Atlanta, Georgia. A beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch home, built for comfort, simplicity, and smart living. Single-level living, no stairs to worry about, easy flow, practical design. This is the kind of home people are searching for right now. Step inside and you'll find features buyers love. Granite countertops, open concept living, spacious kitchen, perfect for entertaining, dining room for family dinners, comfortable living room for everyday life. This home gives you room to breathe, room to grow, room to live. Need space? You've got it. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 4 primary with ensuite for your own retreat. Goods 2-car garage, poodle, dedicated laundry room. Everything designed to make life easier. And outside the home, the lifestyle continues. Swim community, tennis amenities, near shopping, convenient to the airport. This means comfort at home and convenience everywhere else. Maybe you're buying your first home. Maybe you're downsizing into something smarter. Maybe you're ready to stop renting. Whatever season you're in, this home could be your next move. And the best part? You don't have to figure it out alone. I'll help guide you through financing options, the buying process, negotiations, inspections. Then comes the best moment of all, when I place the keys in your hand. So if you've been waiting for the right opportunity, this may be it. 813 Blue Hill Lane, Atlanta, Georgia. A ranch home with style, space, and possibility. Send me a message today and let's unlock the door to your future. Because the key to home ownership may already be waiting at Blue Hill Lane. This is Kenneth J., one half of the TNT Real Estate team, with Floyd Realty Advisors, signing off.